Good morning, everybody. This is the sum of indefinite integration. As we know, integration is not based on formula only. We have to solve integrals on the basis of our imagination. And this is not present thing, this is not current thing. This has been coming perhaps more than 300 years ago. When integration means solving the integrals, we have to suppose first, means what numbers will be taken for our desired solving part. So here, for this sum, we take cos square x, means divide numerator and denominator by cos square x and write as. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x and write as. If you divide 1 plus cos square by cos x, then you will get this part. And we know here is root. So for dividing this part by cos square x, you have to write cos square x under root. Means you have to change cos x into cos square x, then you have to divide. Now write sin cube x by cos square x by sec x plus cos x, and write under root sec square x plus 1 plus cos square x dx. Now write, put sec x plus cos x is equal to t. Then sec x into tan x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now it can be written as sin x by cos square x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now here will be sin cube x by cos square x dx is equal to dt. Now therefore I is equal to dt by t into root under t square minus 1. Now how? Look at here, for this part, sec square x plus 1 plus cos square x is equal to sec x plus cos x whole square minus 2 sec x into cos x plus 1. This is equal to sec x plus cos x whole square minus 2 plus 1, that is sec x plus cos x whole square minus 1. Sec x plus cos x means t, so it will be t square minus 1. That's why for this part here it is written root under t square minus 1. Now right here, this will be sec inverse t plus c is equal to sec inverse, now t, for t, right, sec x plus cos x plus c. This is the final answer. Now here, see, sin x by cos square x minus sin x. By taking LCM, sin x minus sin x into cos square x, then take sin x common, then it will be sin x into 1 minus cos square x, and 1 minus cos square is equal to sin square x, so sin x into sin square x is equal to sin cube x. So finally here it is written sin cube x by cos square x dx. This is the final answer of this sum.